So like seriously, it has been for like minutes now, and it's 10:20. It's literally so cold, and I'm still awake. Well, like I'm super tired, and I really want to sleep right now, but it's a bed I don't want her to keep. I don't want. Rihanna, she's still not sleepy. She's still not sleepy, bro. Bro, she's really. I think she's gonna win. I think she's gonna win. Because, bro, it's literally so late right now, but I'm still awake. And literally so tired. Why are you so awake, bro? Like, what? Like, for a serious man, I'm just so tired, but I'm trying and you can really see the eyeballs coming.
Bayad mong isda ni Dan.
If I really sleep, sit here.
Lang sa kanya. Imbis na pambili na namin ng bigas. Allowance lang.
I'll make another video, but I'll not sleep. I'll just watch videos. To not return of my part 4.